This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by invoking your operating system's built-in emoji picker. That is the only reliable way to access the full set. On Windows, press the Windows key plus period or semicolon and the panel appears. On a Mac, press Control, Command, and Space together. Once done, the picker is live and focused where your cursor sits, so make sure your text field is active. This initial step connects the picker to the app you're using and avoids third-party tools that add latency, or now you refine what you want by searching and navigating. Type a short keyword like smile, food, or flag to narrow the set. Search is faster than scrolling. If you prefer browsing, use category tabs or press the arrow keys to move through grids and sections. This helps when you only have a vague idea. Once you see the emoji, click it or press enter to pick it. Because the picker tracks recent selections, your commonly used symbols will show up near the top for future speed. Finish by inserting and verifying the emoji in your message or document. Make sure the text cursor is active where you want the symbol, then click or press enter. The emoji is inserted as a character by the OS. If it shows as an empty box or a question mark, the recipient's device or the app may not support that emoji. Update your operating system or the app, or use copy-paste as a fallback. If the picker won't open, reboot or check your keyboard shortcuts and permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.